Being in good hands. Understanding trust and safety in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and comforting English phrase, being in good hands. It's a phrase you might have heard in various contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's explore this together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, being in good hands, is used to express the idea that someone is being taken care of very well or that something is being handled by someone who is very capable and competent. It's a reassurance that you or your concerns are under the guidance of someone who is both skilled and trustworthy. Imagine a scenario where you're leaving your pet at a daycare while you travel. The staff might tell you, "Don't worry, your pet is in good hands with us." This means they are promising to take great care of your pet, just as you would. While the exact origins of this phrase are not clear, it's been used for a long time to convey trust and reliability. It's often used in professional settings, such as by doctors, lawyers, or any service provider, to reassure clients of their expertise and the safety of their decision. However, it's not limited to professional contexts. You can use it in personal situations as well, whenever you want to reassure someone that they have nothing to worry about. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can be naturally incorporated into everyday conversations. 1. When entrusting a task to someone, I've left the project in Sarah's capable hands. I'm confident she'll do a great job. 2. When someone takes care of another person, thank you for looking after my kids today. I know they were in good hands. 3. In professional services, with over 20 years of experience, our clients can rest assured they're in good hands. Using being in good hands is quite straightforward. You can either reassure someone directly by telling them they are in good hands or describe a situation where care and competence are guaranteed. It's also a wonderful way to express gratitude or confidence in someone's abilities indirectly. Understanding phrases like being in good hands can enrich your English communication, making it more nuanced and expressive. It's all about conveying trust, safety, and reliability, key elements in building strong relationships, whether personal or professional. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this comforting phrase for you. Remember, language is a bridge to human connection, and every phrase you learn strengthens that bridge. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.